You must first be relaxed inside yourself before you consciously look for a partner. Self-assurance and self-sufficiency are very appealing virtues for a man, and you don't have to come off as desperate for a girlfriend. Instead, you need to feel happy in your skin and content being single. When you enter this stage, you will be open to finding a relationship, and it will come to you afterward. Women deserve to feel like you're wanting to be with them, not because you're actively searching for a partner, and you can't survive without a girlfriend. Although living a single life is enjoyable for a while, it can become tiresome and sometimes leaves singles wishing for something more important. If this is true of you and you're looking for a serious relationship, here's our 9-step guide on how to get a girlfriend. Follow our easy methods and secure the girl of your dream. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe so that you get the latest video from us. Number 1. Listen and ask questions. Men are notoriously terrible at asking questions to women. Women sometimes argue that men talk a lot about themselves on dates and don't take a lot of care in what they have to say. Don't be one of those guys. Take an active interest in dialogue, even though she's asking about her friends or jobs, or something you wouldn't be actively interested in. Try to concentrate on what she said and ask the necessary questions. This is going to give you a lot of points. You never know, you might find it fascinating if you listen properly. Number 2. The art of flirting. Flirting is an art style, and it's really important to know how to get a girlfriend. Flirting distinguishes between affection and love interest. It's a playful display of someone you're romantically interested in. The classic tactics of extended eye contact, laughing, and complimenting perform well. Make it clear that you're more serious than a friend, but don't get too heavy, or she won't think you're looking for a real relationship. Number 3. Be confident. Girls love confident men. Overthinking something and getting worried or frightened isn't going to help a girl find you appealing. Most probably, you're going to get friend-zoned. Be assertive by making preparations and being straightforward about what you want in your mind. You don't have to be the best looking, the funniest guy in the world, but if you're happy with who you are, you'll immediately be 10 times more attractive than a very good-looking shy man. Number 4. Don't play games, but hold an air of mystery. In terms of how to get a girlfriend, playing a game isn't going to get you very far. If you don't respond to her messages and act cold and disinterested, she'll walk away from you. She needs to know that you're serious about her, and she wants to be in a relationship. Offer fun dates, chat about exclusivity, and finally ask her to be your girlfriend. It is necessary, however, not to blast her with texts and to retain an air of mystery. In a new study, 44% of women are found to be bombarded with texts from men. So, just play it a little. Number 5. Be ambitious. Perhaps even more than confidence, determination in a man is desirable. Women don't like lazy guys, but anyone ambitious and driven to do something will immediately catch their eye. There's a thin line. Women don't want a workaholic boyfriend. But it's very nice to be excited about something, because if you're inspired to do something, people will automatically find you more appealing and fascinating. Number 6. Body language flirting. Body language flirting can be a long way off. The core feature of body language flirting, according to Psychologia.com, is to emphasize your sexual differences to impress the opposite sex. Men will stand a little taller and raise their chests to emphasize their height and superiority. Women are going to tilt their heads and play with their hair. So if you see a woman doing this, she flirts back with you. Slight physical contact can also show your interest. Rubbing her arm may sometimes draw her attention. Number 7. Ask her on a date properly. A gorgeous girl has caught your attention and you've been chatting a while. Now is the time to ask her out. As we've said, women like confidence and assertiveness, so make sure you ask her to do it properly. Don't come up with a complex proposal for a plan or offer her too many choices to choose from, so nothing gets established. Just come up with a nice date idea, one where you can chat and get to know each other properly, like a drink or a coffee, and give her a time and a place. Offer her a clear proposal that she can't deny. Number 8. Be funny. When you ask about how to get a girlfriend, most people suggest be funny. Girls love guys who can make them laugh. There's the famous saying, after all, the couples that laugh together, stay together. It's not always easy to be sarcastic, but to prove that you don't take yourself too seriously, and to make a light-hearted talk stand in your favor. Make any jokes as well, you never know, she may have the same sense of humor as you do. Number 9. Respect her. It was Erasure's Andy Bell, who famously sang "Give Me a Little Respect." And if you want to get a girlfriend, you're going to have to process the UK crooner's lyrics carefully. Esteem tells a woman that you are serious about developing a relationship with her. This doesn't mean you've got to overdo it on the front of the chivalry. Too much can sound patronizing. Respect in this case is a much more complex affair. Keep her interests on board and make sacrifices while her heart is fixed on something. Indeed, mastering the art of consensus early on will hold you on track much farther down the road. The last time you saw a gorgeous girl and thought to make a move and you didn't, which you might regret thinking today. Make the move when you see the girl you want to have a relationship with. Life is short. Forget these steps, just make your first move. It is all you need at first. You can follow these steps later on. This video is not going anywhere. And good luck. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment down below. Thanks for watching.